This blueberry cobbler is so quick and easy to make. Boy, are they delicious. Let me show you how to make the world's famous blueberry cobbler. Hey y'all, and welcome back to our kitchen. In today's recipe, we're going to be making an old-timey, old-fashioned blueberry cobbler. If you like cobblers, you know there's a lot to pick from. Right now it's blueberry season, and I'm going to show y'all in today's recipe how to make a great, easy, simple, easy peasy blueberry cobbler. Let's get started. Okay, let's go over what you're going to need for your berry part of your cobbler. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 3 cups of fresh blueberries, 1 cup of sugar, 2 sticks, and I'm using salted butter, and 1 cup of water. And I'll let y'all have that right there in case you want to take a picture of it real fast. But that's what your blueberry mixture will have in it. For the dough part of your cobbler, you'll be using 3 cups of self-rising flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1.5 cups of milk. And now the way I do my cobblers is I use a double boiler. I'll use each boiler, one for the berries and one for my dough. Now if you don't have a double boiler, you can take 2 pots, one that's a little bit smaller than the other but does have handles on it, and put water in the bigger pot and put the small one down in it and make you a homemade double boiler if you don't have one. But they work good, that way you don't scorch your dough or scorch your berries, because sugar when you're cooking in the berries is real easy to burn fast. So I like to be on the safe side, and I love using our double boilers for cobblers. So let's get started. Okay, we've turned them both on, we're letting them warm up. And now we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. The first thing we're going to add is we're going to go ahead while it's heating up and add our 2 sticks of our butter. And let it start melting down as the double boiler is getting warm. And you'll be needing a 9x13 baking dish. I'm using this glass dish, and we've sprayed it already with a cooking spray. Make sure you spray the sides real good so it don't stick. Okay, now that we have our butter melted, I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add my sugar, 1 cup, my 1 cup of water, and our berries, our blueberries. And now we'll just give that a mix and we'll let them start cooking down. And it don't take them long, but they'll cook down and thicken just a little. And now while that's cooking, we'll come over to the other double boiler and we're going to make our dough part. Oh, look at those pretty blueberries. They're starting to cook down now. So now we're going to get our cobbler mixture ready. Okay, now to this double boiler, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start adding our milk. And now we're going to add our half of our flour and our sugar, and we're just going to start mixing that together. Once I get it blended just a little bit, now I'm going to go ahead and add the remaining part of my flour. And now just incorporate all that together. this smells good, y'all. These old-fashioned cobblers are one of the best things you can ever make. And when you do, you better make plenty, because it won't last long. And all these ingredients, most all of us probably already have in our pantry. So this is an easy, simple recipe that we've got that we can put together using what you have. And y'all can see how it's thickening up just a little bit. It's almost ready. Okay, now our berries are ready. We're going to take these off of the heat and we're going to add our vanilla. Okay, now to the berries, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Okay, now we're going to get it ready to put in our dish. Okay, we're going to add our berry mixture first to the bottom of our glass dish. Those berries look so pretty. Now, y'all, we're going to pour our what's going to be our dough mixture over our berries. Okay, we're just going to start here and start pouring it in. Let's try to get it all out of there. We can't waste none of it, because that's going to make some pretty cobbler right there, y'all. And now we're going to get her in the oven and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes on 350. Or just watch it, because all ovens are different. Just get it to the golden brown you're looking for. Alright, now let's check the cobbler and see how it looks. Ooh, look at there, y'all. She is pretty and hot. We'll let that cool and then we'll serve us up a piece. The world's best blueberry cobbler. She's gonna be good, y'all. Okay, and if you want your crust to be all the way across the top, just use 4 cups of flour where I use 3. But you can use 4 if you would like more bread. And if you want more berries, add a little bit more berries. But look how pretty. Oh, Travis is going to be surprised when he gets in the house. This cobbler recipe is so quick and easy. And I know it's going to be so tasty, y'all. It's irresistible. Now let's serve us up a little piece and I'll let you see what it looks like. That's gonna be good, y'all. It's still hot and steaming right now. We gotta let it cool.